Hey, I'm John with Arva here at Tahoe Mountain Sports. This is the Arva Pro 240. So it's just a pull, pops, locks, real simple. Larger diameter, beefy. All the pulls come with markings of distance, and that isn't just so that you know when you're about to hit the ceiling, but it tells you when you've struck your victim how deep they are and relates to how far back away from them you need to start your shoveling. If they're shallow, you can go basically right at them. If they're over a meter, then you're going to back down a meter. If they're over 3, you back down 4.5 meters off the site, because you need basically distance to go at them, as opposed to digging deeper straight down, which isn't sufficient. So the Pro model, someone's looking for strong, simple operation to unlock, push the pin in. It has a stainless steel cable inside, so they take the Pro model seriously.
Is that a sharp tip?
No,
not really.
It's dull. It's dull, but yet still pointy. I think
You're trying to find Walter.
Yeah.
What model is that?
That's the Pro 240.
Yeah.
They also make a Pro 280.
Yeah, smart.
40, the 240 length is what I recommend. We make some 200s as well, but that's a lot of, if you're doing a lot of probing, that's a lot of back exercise that you're going to need to save for digging. This is the Arva ALP. It's a 240 in length, and it is also, if you will, a mechanical locking device, which is right here. When you go to stretch it out and you pull it, there's a click, pull it out again, push down, and it releases. So if you go to pull out, clicks into place, give it a pull, push in on the circular lock, it unlocks it. Here you have a Kevlar cord rather than the stainless steel. The stainless steel has greater durability in the long term, but it is lighter weight. And it's slightly smaller in diameter. This is kind of in the rondinette classification. This is our carbon 240 pole, super lightweight, 115 grams. For the person who's really concerned about weight, it's a great way to go. It has a Kevlar cord inside and has the knot on the end, similar to our light 240, that you pull over the notched end piece, and that holds it in place. So for someone who's rondinette racing, which is slowly gathering some momentum here in the US, or someone who's just really weight conscious and feels confident that when they do need to use a pole, but they're not using it all the time, that this is the way to go. Basically, with a carbon pole, if someone's experienced and knows how to probe and has practiced probing, and they're going perpendicular to the slope and they're not bowing it a tremendous amount, yeah, it's a good safe pole to use. Someone who hasn't practiced, someone who's panicking in the situation and they're going to be bowing the heck out of it, it's better to go ahead and steer them towards one of the other poles, whether it's lesser expensive light 240 or the ALP, or something beefy and early the Pro model. Okay.